take it off. A bit damp already.
Baked rice with 18 ringgit spent. It's a voucher, not a fortune. What nonsense. Don't even have a fortune. This one we like. Oh, it's nice with the straw.